Are you looking for the ideal country lifestyle? Welcome to this rural Parker property sitting on 5 acres featuring an updated home, multiple versatile workshops, and mountain views. Let's go take a peek. The expansive 30 by 50 workshop is versatile for all of your needs. And if this isn't enough space for you, go check out the other workshops out back. Inside, the updated kitchen features granite countertops, hickory cabinets, new stainless steel appliances, and flows seamlessly to the living room with mountain views. The main level primary suite features a remodeled bath, including an auto water temperature shower, granite countertops, elegant tile, and a walk-in closet. The walkout basement is perfect for entertaining, featuring a custom wet bar with a recessed fridge, mini freezer, and a cozy living room with a wood fireplace. So if you or someone you know would love to call this property home, reach out to me for more details. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.